आज हम आए हैं लाहौर ग्लोबल विलेज। तो ये देखें, ये इन्होंने यहाँ पे ये एरिया बनाया हुआ है। तो आ जाओ। ग्लोबल विलेज सारे स्टॉल लगे हुए हैं। ग्लोबल विलेज बनाया हुआ ये है सारा, यही फूड का, सिटिंग का, एवरीथिंग।
अल्लाहु अकबर, अल्लाहु अकबर, ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाह।
वालेकुम सलाम। ये जी हम आ गए संडे का मॉडर्न बाजार। ये जी मॉडर्न बाजार बना हुआ है। वाह देखो, देखते हैं यहाँ पे प्राइस, what's the price? देखिए यहाँ पे संडे का मॉडर्न बाजार, ये कॉल इट मॉडर्न बाजार। ये जी हम पहुंच गए रमादा। लेट्स सी, जी आ गए हम रमादा। वेटिंग, सैंडविचेस तो पता अब हमारे लिए रह गई चाय। चलो चाय कब है? 10 बजे का प्लान था। हाँ कॉर्नफ्लेक्स
and hopefully very energetic panel. I'm going to call upon the stage a name that needs no introduction, although the brief introduction that she shared with me is pretty long to share here, but she will shed more light on it. I'm talking about Ms. Uzma Khan. She has been working with PDB as a political analyst, and now she's hosting a morning show at Rose TV. Ms. Uzma, please join us.
This is a country where I remember that we used to have foreigners coming in like with the flocks and flocks. Buses used to come in and be visiting Pakistan. Why have they stopped? Because of this menace. So when we speak about global diplomacy, we need to be sharing intelligence with each other, with the result that we get to the real crux of the problem. The people who are destroying, as what my friend Ayub has said, that your businesses go down, your industry goes down, simply because of this. And so much so that your travel is out of the window. So I think to be brief, we need to have intelligence sharing. We need to have lots of, like cross culture. I give credit to Rabe.
And Alhamdulillah, UN already absorbed the idea from Indonesia to always strengthening the female peacekeepers in the world. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Just a brief, message from all the panel members. It's the same question. Sir, what do you want to say? Give any message for the global diplomacy, and same questions for everybody to include their words.
Well, I think it's very important we maintain such interactions that we are doing today. We get to understand, we get to know each other better. We need to create people-to-people contact. It's important
not to just involve in the weakness. I think Pakistan and Indonesia, we have, respectively, have strength in Islamic values. So this is your asset, our asset. And how to manage this asset, I think we have to empower the Muslim actors, the moderate Muslim actors in our respective countries. And many times I give lecture to the madrasah students here, and also the Maulanas here, some of Maulanas here, and also the university students, that actually we have similarities in Nizami Madrasa. But after that, the contextualization is different. In Indonesia, we have a more peaceful environment that where all the students there for all of kind of educations can contextualize what they already learned from from their universities or madrasa. In Pakistan, it is still a challenge. But if the empowerment is already there, I think it is possible. So we never see that madrasa or Islamic education like needs reform. No.
दुनिया में खवातीन ज़्यादा आ गए टूरिज्म में, मर्द पीछे हैं। हॉस्पिटैलिटी सेक्टर में तमाम शहर खवातीन के हाथ में, दूसरे मुल्कों में जाते हैं वहाँ देखते हैं। So I think इसके ऊपर आपके प्लेटफॉर्म से भी एक स्ट्रॉन्ग रिकमेंडेशन गवर्नमेंट को जानी चाहिए कि एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप को प्रमोट किया जाए, वुमेन की एंगेजमेंट को टूरिज्म हॉस्पिटैलिटी सेक्टर में प्रमोट किया जाए, स्किल्स के ऊपर बहुत काम करने की जरूरत है। हमारे पास सबसे जो वीक एलिमेंट है वो सर्विसेज का फुकदान है। If we want to improve tourism, we need to establish quality standards और उसके लिए स्किल्स को improve करना है। और खासतौर पर बहुत सारे शोबे हैं जहाँ पे स्किल को culinary आर्ट से लेके फ्रंट ऑफिस मैनेजमेंट, होटल मैनेजमेंट, हाउसकीपिंग और दीगर टूरिज्म के जो शोबे हैं उसमें हम स्किल्स को बढ़ा के अपना तकरीबन half of the mass of the population can be engaged in tourism। इस पर काम करना चाहिए।
Needs to be addressed, and this is how when I joined the International Council of Museums as a member, I came to know some international standards which needs to be implemented in our museums. So these are few examples of how we can increase tourism, how we can give a positive image of our country internationally, and I think if we work together with collaboration, we can achieve this goal as well.
Thank you very much.
Women and empowerment, and literally talking about women. When we talk about women, we're not just talking about women, we're talking about humanity itself, the empowerment, representation and participation of women around the whole world. So my background, I thought, well, I didn't have any aspirations. I was, you go to school and that was it. I didn't realise that I'd have an opportunity to work, I thought I was going to be a wife, a housewife and a mum. But life changed, my journey changed, and I had to go back to university, I had to study, I had to raise my 2 children. So
ये चीज़ है आउटसाइड ऑफ रमादा, ब्यूटीफुल बिल्डिंग। जी अब हम जा रहे हैं कॉन्फ्रेंस से वापस और ऑलमोस्ट 4 बज गए हैं। मैं थोड़ा अर्ली निकल के आई हूँ